Ula, did you like the music? No? Ula, do you want to play with Ursa? Do you want to play a game with Ursa? Yeah? Ula? Ula. Birdie. Birdie. Do you want me to put the music back on? Ula. Ula. Do you want to play blocks? Yeah? Ula. Do you want me? No? No. Do you want to go play outside? No? Do you want to play with Ursa? Yeah. No? Ask her something, Ursa. Ask her a question.
Wanna play with her? Wanna play with her? Wanna play with her?
Do you want to play dollies? Chick chick. You want to play dollies? Huh? Yeah? Maybe?